Tom is a bread seller. He lives in a small town. Every morning, Tom wakes up early. He makes fresh bread. The bread smells very good. People like his bread. Tom is not rich, but Tom is very kind. One morning, a young boy comes to the shop. The boy looks tired. The boy looks hungry. The boy says, "Sir, can I have some bread?" Tom looks at the boy. He sees no money. Tom smiles. He gives the boy bread. The boy says, "Thank you very much." Tom says, "You are welcome." The next day, the boy comes again. Tom gives bread again. This happens every day. One day, a woman comes to the shop. She watches Tom. She sees Tom give bread for free. The woman asks, "Why do you help him?" Tom answers, "He is hungry." Tom says, "Kindness is free." The woman smiles. The next week, the woman comes back. She brings many people. They buy a lot of bread. Tom's shop is now popular. Tom is happy. Tom learned something important. When you are kind, good things come back. Bread seller, a person who sells bread, hungry, wanting food, kind, nice and helpful, free, no money needed. Popular, many people like it.